Hello, I'm Chief Pat Turner. In this video, we'll talk about drone surveillance and firefighting. But before we dive into it, if you're interested in this type of information, hit that subscribe button for me and ring the bell for notifications when I post new videos. And of course, don't forget to like this video. This helps us get more visitors. Thank you. Drone surveillance is revolutionizing firefighting by providing real-time aerial views, improving situational awareness, and enhancing safety for firefighters and civilians. As technology has advanced, drones have become essential tools for modern fire departments, offering capabilities that traditional firefighting methods cannot match. This video explores the benefits, applications, and considerations of drone use in firefighting. The importance of drones in firefighting. Firefighting is inherently dangerous, requiring quick decision-making based on limited information. Traditional methods of gaining situational awareness, such as ground-based observations or helicopter surveillance, have limitations in terms of speed, cost, and risk. Drones offer a safer, more efficient way to gather critical information during a fire emergency. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging, and GPS, drones can quickly provide an overview of a fire scene from above. This capability allows incident commanders to assess the extent and location of a fire, identify hotspots, and monitor the progress of firefighting efforts in real time. In turn, this helps in optimizing resource development, improving response times, and enhancing overall operational efficiency. Key applications of drones in firefighting. Situational awareness. Drones provide a bird's-eye view of the incident, giving firefighters a comprehensive understanding of the fire's spread, behavior, and impact. Thermal imaging cameras can detect hotspots that are invisible to the naked eye, helping to pinpoint areas that require immediate attention. This information is critical for strategic decision-making, allowing commanders to allocate resources effectively and prioritize tasks. Search and rescue operations. During fire emergencies, drones can be deployed to search for missing persons or trapped victims in hard-to-reach areas. They can cover large areas quickly, providing a safe way to conduct search and rescue operations without putting additional personnel at risk. Thermal imaging cameras are particularly useful for locating individuals in dense smoke or low visibility conditions. Structure and roof assessments. In urban firefighting, drones are used to assess the structural integrity of buildings and identify potential collapse zones. They can quickly survey roofs and upper floors, providing valuable data to assess risks to firefighters. This application is especially useful in cases where buildings are too unstable or hazardous to enter. Wildfire management. In wildfire situations, drones can play a vital role in monitoring the fire's progress, detecting spot fires, and assessing the effectiveness of containment efforts. Drones equipped with infrared cameras can fly through smoke and darkness, providing continuous surveillance and real-time data to firefighting teams on the ground. Mapping and documentation. Drones can create high-resolution maps of affected areas, helping firefighters plan routes, set up perimeters, and document the incident for post-fire analysis. These maps can be used for training, debriefing, and developing future firefighting strategies. Benefits of using drones in firefighting. Enhance safety. Drones reduce the need for firefighters to enter dangerous situations blindly. By providing a detailed view of the incident, they help identify potential hazards such as gas leaks, hazardous materials, or structural weaknesses. Cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional aerial surveillance methods like helicopters, drones are significantly more affordable. They require less fuel, maintenance, and personnel to operate, making them a cost-effective solution for fire departments. Speed and agility. Drones can be quickly deployed and maneuvered into position, providing immediate situational awareness. Their small size and agility allow them to access areas that are inaccessible to ground vehicles or manned aircraft. Real-time data. Drones can transmit live video and data to command centers, enabling real-time decision-making. This immediacy allows commanders to adapt to rapidly changing conditions and make informed decisions to protect lives and property. Considerations for drone use in firefighting. While drones offer many benefits, their use in firefighting is not without challenges. Regulatory compliance, privacy concerns, and technical limitations, such as battery life and range, must be considered. Fire departments need to work within Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, regulations and ensure that operators are properly trained and certified. Additionally, departments should establish protocols for data management and privacy to address any concerns from the public. In conclusion, drone surveillance is a powerful tool that is transforming firefighting operations. By providing real-time situational awareness, enhancing safety, and improving operational efficiency, drones are becoming indispensable in the fire service. As technology continues to evolve, their applications will likely expand, further enhancing the ability of firefighters to protect lives, property, and the environment. Embracing drone technology represents a significant step forward in modern firefighting, helping fire departments to respond more effectively to the complex challenges of today's fire emergencies. Okay, that's it for now. I invite you to check out my website at chiefsclassroom.org for an in-depth approach to entry-level firefighter testing. Each of my courses is designed to complement the other courses, and together they direct the student in how to approach the exam process. I look forward to seeing you in one of my courses. Take care and be safe.